On 12th of January, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, inaugurated Procurement Center under the Assam Government flagship scheme, Swanirbhar Nari, at the office premises of Assistant Director of Handloom and Textile, Diphu. Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM, attended as the chief guest and inaugurated the procurement center in presence of Madhuram Lekthe, EM in charge Handloom and Textile, Amar Singh Tiso, EM, Madhusmita Bhagwati, DC of Karbi Anglong, Michael Timung, Joint Secretary, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Johnny Timung, MAC, Het Singh Rongphar, MAC, and several dignitaries of the department. Dr. Tuliram Ronghang informed that with this scheme, more than 8,000 women from Karbi Anglong would benefit from this scheme. Their woven products would be brought back by the government and their payment would be done within 4 working days online. This scheme provides an opportunity to all the women to be self-reliant.
Sarpi maratum okorjangatum amethang akeng kacarjab ji aphan government penisi latum phan ke deng pondolo alang litum phan ke thir ke phagan ke government sina porpo poho pencheng lok pini pekok pencheng lok lapen ke lahai choi hong thor pencheng lok lahai tame ni pliang bong online pen si payment pipo lage nona chief minister si kedeng pone scheme lo.
Tapas Das Kumar, Assistant Director of Handloom and Textiles, Diphu, while speaking to us, informed that the process of waivers enrollment was done last year across the state through an online mode. A total of 8,239 waivers from Karbi Anglong enrolled their names, and out of the total, 7,917 waivers were approved by the government.
Prior 8,239 jone tetia apply korise. Eto free ase proত্যেকে tamne apply koribo pare kintu amar Karbi Anglong 8,239 goraki 8,239 goraki apply korisil aru tare teulokor data aru gutei bostukhini mane verify korar pisot 7,917 goraki approve hoisil.
Rajasteron report from Diphu for Karbi Anglong Live.